So you have a Rossm wallet, and you like to use the money clip, but you also want to track your wallet with an AirTag. You now have the option to use Rossm's AirTag money clip, but it does have some downsides. It shows the metallic side of the AirTag, which can show fingerprints, and mine at least was a little loose. Ridge also makes an AirTag money clip, which shows the white side of the AirTag and has a tighter fit. But could you use that? The Rossm AirTag money clip is secured by 2 screws. The Ridge version is held in place by tension rather than screws. So, is it compatible with a Rossm wallet? Let's find out. First, we'll show you the required components. You need a Rossm wallet, a Ridge AirTag money clip, an Apple AirTag, a Rossm screwdriver, and a Ridge screwdriver. To begin, we'll place the AirTag in the Ridge AirTag money clip. We made a more detailed installation video for that process if you're interested. After the AirTag is installed, we'll remove the money clip on the Rossm wallet. You only need to take out the top 2 screws for this. Next, we'll install the Ridge AirTag money clip on the Rossm wallet and then replace the screws. While we're doing this, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's test if it's secure. The money clip is held securely in place, just like with a Ridge wallet. As for cash, it's also securely held in place. So, you can use the Ridge AirTag money clip on a Rossm wallet. Now that you know, are you going to use this, or will you stick with the Rossm AirTag money clip? Let us know in the comments. If you are still looking for more EDC Gear videos, here are some you might like. See you in the next video.